Alright, welcome back everybody. I know my tutorial series has been very popular lately, so you guys might be wondering, how have I made such a beautiful avatar, or such a beautiful channel logo? Now you see, it takes years of practice, so I'm gonna try to feed it to you guys in like basic terms. So essentially what you want to do is go to any free paint app or something, the quality of the software doesn't matter if you're a pro, okay? So, but the first step, I'm just gonna show you a quick tutorial on how to make mine. So the first step we want to do is you want to make the first shape that comes to your head. So, let's say you pick a square or a triangle. We're going to go with a circle here. So you want to make that as circular as possible. Remember to fill it in. You can do the spam click technique. It always works, Okay, so then what you want to do is you want to give your character facial features, because everything is human, I think. You want to pick the darkest color you can. You just actually no. You just want to pick any color that goes great with the current color you have. Yellow goes great with the hex code 00, like pitch black. So we're gonna do that. Then boom. Okay, that's it. But that's not where it stops. Okay, I know. Just looking at my YouTube logo there, you might see the circle of yellow, but actually you gotta have a background image. That is the most crucial step. So what you want to do is you don't want any white outlines or anything like that, so you want to cut out as much as possible. And then what we want to do is sort of look at PewDiePie's channel, and then just sort of like make like a red background or something. It doesn't have to be red. I mean, it does. It has to be red. Make it red. Sometimes you can add green and stuff. Maybe orange, a little orange. As long as you fill it in, it's overall good. Okay, then you got that. Now that's how you make the, just the character for your logo. Now this could be anything. You could even make it an alligator. If you want to make an alligator, then you just sort of make the snout. So yeah, that's how you make a channel logo. For more tutorials, smash that like button, maybe subscribe. And also the most crucial step, I know I already said the most crucial step was making my logo, of course, but there's another crucial step which only years of practice can teach you. So it makes sense if a rookie were to miss such a crucial step. You have to turn on RTX. Now, RTX, or another way to say it, is ray tracing. You want to turn on ray tracing for your image, just like this. And then boom, you got your image. It looks amazing. Yeah.